Imagine doubling or even tripling your Amazon profits with just a few insider tricks that most sellers have never even heard of. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that there are secret strategies out there that can turn your online business into a money-making machine almost overnight? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to reveal the top 5 Amazon hacks that could skyrocket your earnings and change the way you sell forever. Welcome to InfoX, your ultimate guide to tech mastery and e-commerce success. Whether you're a seasoned Amazon seller or just starting out, these hacks will give you the edge you need to crush the competition. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies that the top 1% of Amazon sellers use to stay ahead of the game. These aren't your run-of-the-mill tips. These are actionable secrets that can transform your selling experience and boost your bottom line fast. So if you're ready to take your Amazon business to the next level, let's get started. Hack 1. Optimize your listings for voice search. First up, we have a hack that's becoming more crucial by the day: optimizing your listings for voice search. With the rise of smart speakers like Amazon Echo and Google Home, more and more consumers are using voice search to find products. But here's the kicker: most sellers haven't caught on to this trend yet. By tweaking your product titles, descriptions, and keywords to align with how people speak rather than type, you can tap into a growing market that's often overlooked. How to do it? Focus on natural language phrases in your product titles. Include long-tail keywords that people are likely to say out loud. Think about the questions a customer might ask their smart speaker and ensure your product answers those questions. By getting ahead of this trend, you're not just increasing visibility, you're positioning your products right where future buyers will be searching. Hack 2. Leverage Amazon's A9 algorithm to your advantage. Next, let's talk about Amazon's A9 algorithm. This is the algorithm that determines which products appear at the top of search results. While it might sound technical, leveraging it effectively can make a huge difference in your sales. The secret is to understand what the A9 algorithm looks for: relevance and performance. How to do it? Ikmayu. Relevance. Ensure that your product listings are highly relevant to the keywords you're targeting. This means using specific, accurate keywords that match what your target customers are searching for. Performance. Boost your product's performance by increasing your click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate. Use high-quality images, compelling bullet points, and persuasive product descriptions to make your listings stand out. Remember, the A9 algorithm is constantly learning from customer behavior, so the more you optimize for relevance and performance, the better your chances of ranking higher and getting more sales. Hack 3. Utilize Amazon's early reviewer program. The third hack is all about building trust and credibility early on through Amazon's early reviewer program. Getting those initial reviews can be tough, especially when you're launching a new product. But with the early reviewer program, Amazon encourages your first few customers to leave a review by offering them a small reward. How to do it? Enroll your new products in the early reviewer program through your Seller Central account. Amazon will then send emails to customers who purchase your product, encouraging them to leave a review. Once a review is left, Amazon provides the customer with a small gift card as a thank you. This program can be a game changer because it helps you build social proof quickly, which in turn can lead to more sales and higher rankings in Amazon's search results. Hack 4. Price dynamically with repricing tools. Hack 4. Price dynamically with repricing tools. Fourth on the list is a hack that's all about maximizing your profits through dynamic pricing. Amazon is a highly competitive marketplace, and prices fluctuate all the time. By using repricing tools, you can automatically adjust your prices to stay competitive while maximizing your margins. How to do it? Choose a reputable repricing tool that integrates with Amazon. Set your pricing rules, including minimum and maximum price thresholds. Monitor your competition and let the tool automatically adjust your prices to ensure you're always offering competitive rates without sacrificing profitability. With dynamic pricing, you can ensure that your products are always positioned to sell, no matter what your competitors are doing. Hack 5. Maximize your ad spend with sponsored product ads. Last, but definitely not least, we have the hack that can give you the biggest bang for your buck. Optimizing your Amazon sponsored product ads. Advertising on Amazon is one of the quickest ways to boost visibility and sales, but only if you do it right. The key is to ensure that every dollar you spend is working to bring in more sales. How to do it? Start by using Amazon's auto-targeting to gather data on which keywords and products convert best. Once you have enough data, switch to manual targeting and focus on the high-performing keywords and products. Continuously monitor and tweak your campaigns to improve your return on ad spend, ROAS. By strategically managing your sponsored product ads, you can drive more traffic to your listings and significantly increase your sales without wasting your ad budget. So there you have it, 5 powerful hacks that can help you triple your profits on Amazon fast. These aren't just theories. These are tried and true strategies used by top sellers to stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your Amazon business to the next level, implementing these hacks can make a world of difference. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to InfoX for more in-depth e-commerce strategies and tech mastery tips. And if you have any questions or want to share your own Amazon success stories, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.